Welcome to Sample Size Calculation for Beginners. This presentation will guide you through the basics of determining appropriate sample sizes in research. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for ensuring the validity and reliability of your study results. In this introduction, we aim to provide a comprehensive understanding of sample size calculations. We'll cover definitions, relevance, and methodologies, equipping you with the knowledge to apply these concepts effectively in your research. Sample size refers to the number of observations or replicates in a statistical sample. It's a critical aspect of research design, impacting the validity and reliability of results. Proper calculation ensures findings are representative of the population studied. Why is sample size important? Choosing the right sample size ensures your study is statistically valid, ethically efficient, and resource-conscious. It helps detect real effects without unnecessary participants, optimizing time, budget, and effort. Now, let's explore methods for calculating sample size. Understanding these methods is essential for designing robust research studies that yield reliable and valid results. The first formula is for estimating a proportion, such as the percentage of people with a condition. It involves the z-score, estimated proportion, and margin of error. This formula helps determine the required sample size for accurate estimation. The second formula compares two means, such as experimental versus control groups. It uses z-values for significance and power, standard deviation, and effect size. This calculation is crucial for detecting meaningful differences between groups. Using Cohen's effect size, this formula is for when standard deviation is unknown. It estimates sample size based on expected effect size, ensuring 80% power and 5% significance. Adjustments for finite populations and non-response are also considered. Several software tools facilitate sample size calculations, making it easier for researchers. Tools like GPower, nQuery, and Parse offer user-friendly interfaces and robust capabilities, assisting in selecting appropriate parameters for accurate results. This summary table provides quick values for sample sizes based on net effect size. With 80% power and a 0.05 significance level, it offers approximate sample sizes for small, medium, and large effects, aiding in efficient study planning. In conclusion, understanding sample size calculation is integral to research success. By applying appropriate methods and tools, researchers enhance study validity, mitigate errors, and make informed decisions based on solid statistical foundations. Thank you for your attention. We hope this presentation has enhanced your understanding of sample size calculations. Please subscribe to our channel for more educational content.